When development teams use open source packages from NuGet, NPM, and so on, it's important to enforce quality standards so that packages with unacceptable licenses or vulnerabilities don't make their way into production. This is where package promotion can help. Package promotion is simply a process of copying a package from one feed to another and keeping a record of that promotion. So in this video, we'll look at how to promote packages by creating a feed for our approved packages, promoting packages to this feed from an unapproved feed, and finally, making sure junior developers can only use approved packages. Alright, let's get started. Now for demo purposes, we've already set up a public feed proxying OSS NuGet packages, so let's go ahead and create an approved feed to promote them to. We'll start by creating a new feed. In this case, we'll create a NuGet feed and choose one that's set up for promoted packages. Now we'll name it. Let's keep it simple and call it approved-nuget. And create it. Nice! Now before we start promoting packages to our approved feed, we'll need to connect it to our public feed. We can do this by going to our public feeds page and changing its settings and its properties. Now we'll go ahead and set it to promote to our approved feed we just created. Cool, now that's set up, let's head back to our feed and start promoting. In this case, our developers want to use the Newtonsoft JSON NuGet package. There are a few versions available, but some have known vulnerabilities and shouldn't be used. Version 13.03 is generally considered safe, so we'll go ahead and promote that to the approved feed. We'll add a comment and promote it. Once that's done, we can also check a log of the promotion and who performed it. Now when we go to the approved feed, we'll see that the package has been successfully promoted. One last thing you might want to do is set up permissions so junior developers can only view and download packages from the approved feed, and only senior developers can promote packages from the unapproved feed. Let's go ahead and make our way to the task and permissions page. Next, we'll add a permission. Now let's set it so our junior developers can only view and download packages from the approved NuGet feed. Now we'll add a permission for our senior developers, and let's set it up so they can promote packages from the public NuGet feed. Nice job! That's all it takes to promote an approved open source package in ProGet.